The Advanced Negotiator program is the crown jewel of our institute and showcases the methodology that we like to call the Schranner concept. This was designed by our founder, Matthias Schranner. The Advanced Negotiator program is unique because it focuses on two critical issues that all executives that negotiate are often faced with. The first one is dealing with deadlock scenarios. The second one is strategically maneuvering negotiations both externally and internally, aligning their teams internally to negotiate at the highest levels of efficiency and effectiveness.